So I'm going to show you how to create more of a natural beach wave to the hair by just using your straighteners. So it's a little bit different to like your regular curl, like your tong. It looks a bit more crimped, a bit more textured. It's great to give body to the hair. So my hair is sort of not the thickest of hair, but when I wear it like this, it sort of looks so much more thicker. And it's also good for disguising the roots of the colour growing out, as opposed to wearing it very straight. You sort of see the colour, but this kind of helps hide it. So I wanted to sort of help create a hairstyle for you to try and give it a go. So I will show you how to create it. Put the straighteners in just a little bit further away from the root, about here, and then we're going to create a bend. So instead of twisting the and curling it, we're just going to bend one way and then flip it upside down and bend the other way. Drag it down, turn it around the other way, and then so on. And when you get to the ends, you're just going to like leave the ends to sort of come straight. So I think my straighteners are now heated up, so I'll show you. So just going to pinch the ends. You want to keep the irons kind of moving at all times. Don't really hold the irons on the hair too long in one. Same section, same pattern throughout this side. I'm just going to place it in, just bend it once, and I'm just going to, you can see my wrist moving up and down all the way through. Try it vertically, so you can kind of twist one way vertically. Do the whole hair and then just pick out bits again, just to tweak and just modify a little bit before I put any finishing product in. Just pull it around. The best kind of product to use is something like a salt spray. That will just sort of give it really nice texture, or just a hairspray. So it's our finished look. I hope you give it a go. Like I say, it's really great, this style, especially if your colour is growing out, your highlights. It kind of disguises the roots. So give it a little bit of a texture, try it out, and yeah, I shall see you soon.